Introduction to Virtual Whiteboards.
Virtual whiteboards are online tools that help teams visualize ideas, organize work, and collaborate in real time. They offer a digital space to brainstorm, plan, and track projects together, no matter where your team is located. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use popular whiteboard apps to better manage tasks and keep your team's progress visible and organized.
Setting up your Whiteboard workspace.
Start by choosing a virtual whiteboard app such as Miro, Mural, or Microsoft Whiteboard. Create a new board for your project and invite team members to join. Set up the workspace with clear labels, sections for different project phases, and easy-to-read layouts. Keeping the board organized from the start makes collaboration smoother and helps everyone find information quickly.
Creating task boards and visual lists.
Use features like sticky notes, cards, or lists to create a task board. Assign tasks to team members by labeling notes with names or color codes. Group tasks into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done for a clear view of project status. This visual structure lets everyone see what needs doing, who is responsible, and which tasks are finished.
Tracking progress and sharing updates.
Update the whiteboard regularly as tasks move forward. Move notes between columns, add comments, and attach important files or links for easy access. Encourage team members to check in on the board during meetings to discuss progress and address roadblocks. This habit keeps everyone aligned and makes it simple to spot what needs attention.
Tips for effective collaboration.
Keep your virtual whiteboard clean by removing outdated notes and organizing completed work into archive sections. Use built-in tools like voting or timers to gather feedback and facilitate focused discussions. Encourage every team member to contribute, so the board reflects the group's collective ideas and progress. With consistent use, virtual whiteboards can transform teamwork and make managing projects much easier.